Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a few things about Seesaw and help you get to know it a little better. So this is what you'll see when you log into your Seesaw account. So here you can see that I'm in my journal, and in my journal I have not added anything yet because this is the first time I've logged in. So I will show you how to do that in just a moment. Here is activities. When I have things assigned in here for you to do, then you will see them. There are not any activities right now because we're starting those on Monday. This is your inbox. This is really important. So here are announcements. This announcement is a welcome announcement to my class. This slide right here introduces me and gives information about how your parents can get in touch with me. This is very important because this slide talks about what we're going to be starting next week, and here is where you click to go to the meeting every morning at 9 o'clock. Here are some expectations for class meetings. So try to be on time, have your camera on, have your microphone muted, and then when it's your turn to talk, you can press it and unmute it and listen to the speaker. This is a schedule that we're working towards. That means we're starting really slow, and eventually we are going to work towards the schedule that you see right here. When you scroll down, you might see other announcements. Here's another announcement that I did. I said, hello, if you are logged in, please type your favorite color or draw a picture with it. Mrs. Trailer's favorite color is yellow. So you're going to go to your journal. Oh, excuse me, sorry. Mrs. Bradley said, Miss Dee Dee loves all the colors of the rainbow. Miss Pine, who is our library teacher, says, Ms. Pine's favorite color is green. So what I want to do is go to my journal, and I want to add something using my favorite color. I'm going to use the drawing tool. So go ahead and use the drawing tool when you respond. So I am going to draw, let's see, I'm going to draw a big heart with yellow because yellow is my favorite color. Ooh, here's my heart. Oops, that's not interesting. So then I'm going to color it, color. And let's say I want to type yellow. So I'm going to type in yellow, and then I'm going to move it. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to move. Let's see if I can move it. There we go. So do you see what I did there? When I'm having trouble moving it, I want to click it. I want to make sure it's not like that. I want to click and then see this black and white cursor. Then I can move it wherever. So then I'm going to press the green check, and it waits for teacher approval. So I know that Aria figured this out already. She didn't just use the drawing tool. She uploaded a picture of herself and typed. So however you want to respond is fine. I showed you how to use the drawing tool, but if you have another tool that you want to respond with, go ahead. So hopefully that shows you a little bit more about Seesaw. I will teach you more as we go. I will see you all soon. Bye.